Yo, Grand Rising, everyone. Hope you guys are doing great and already in profits on your trades. If not, let's see if we can catch something. It will be quite slow morning because we got news today. We got red folders, not very many. USD, we got a 30-year bond auction at 7 p.m. CET. And this one is both important and not. What it is that if nobody wants to buy the bonds, it's of course very bad for the for the U.S. economy. It's good for the U.S. dollar. If nobody wants to buy the bonds, then they have to increase the interest rates to make them more attractive, and then that of course shoots up the U.S. dollar. But we will see. We got unemployment claims 230, and that is very important. That this thing can definitely rock the market. And we got GBP news 1 p.m. On regular time for GBP. But yeah, something to definitely watch out for, especially the official bank rate. This will also move GBP a lot. So we'll see if how much market moves before that. I will stay muted. I think most of the stream. We have Euro USD dumping, taking out sell side liquidity. A lot of stop losses below here. Big tick cluster of stop losses. A lot of volume. And we got GU, same situation, but haven't really checked it to be honest. And then we got gold. Gold is basically not trying to figure out its direction right now. We got some stop loss clusters here as well, but we got them quite low. So what I think will happen for gold now is it will probably come down, test the true day open at 23.12 approximately, and then from there we'll see if it breaks it, closes above, or if it rejects it and start targeting top side liquidity, buy side liquidity. So that's that. I think it might be quite slow this morning, so I will stay muted for most of the while, or most of the stream. But if I see something and if I want to explain something, then I will unmute myself. All right, guys, enjoy your morning. Trade safe. Yo, shout out to Kubilai. Keep them gifts coming, man. Keep spamming those gifts. It's TikTok. TikTok action. Bro, you keep going like this, I don't need to trade anymore. I can just pretend to trade here, streaming, and cash in on your gifts. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. I don't know how to invite you up, man. I want to invite you on this live, but I don't know how to do it. Can't find that. I can find that setting. Selling gold, small lot though. It's a semi-risky move. So go in with basically half of your regular risk. And what confirmed this sell was the 5-minute close below the true day. That was it. And that is basically has been on the 1 minute creating lower lows and just pushing downwards from the EMAs. So this is the first London session drop. London will make its low here for the day. Regularly, normally it targets the sell side liquidity from Asia session. That's the blue line you see. And but what I do is I take profits along the way, because you see the higher lows on the left side, that we got a lot of liquidity there, and sometimes it's sufficient enough for market to bounce off it, and we got fair value gap there as well. So you want to take profit along the way. All right, guys. Who's in a gold sale, by the way? Kadir, I know you're in the gold sale. Daniel, did you enter? Kit Kat. So, I'm taking some profits off the table right now. Because, like I said, we're targeting Asian low, but you never know. Like, there's so much liquidity resting here that is grabbing right now at this moment. So, you don't want to risk it just to have a little fatter bag. So, I'm taking half off and half I'm leaving it. Closed half. And the rest of the half, I'm leaving it for the stop loss cluster here. Trailing my stop loss. So when I'm trailing stop loss now, for example, so now my stop loss is here. It's just above these highs. So every time I'm trailing stop loss, you just put it above the last swing high. In this case here on the 1 minute time frame. And also watch the EMAs, alright? So here's my stop loss right now, but I'm about to move it down here. Or I'm actually moving it right now, down here. Because I got the EMA in between, the 20-day EMA, I got a fair value gap, and I got this swing low in between, right? Now we took out Asian low, perfect. Let's see if we want to go all the way to the stop loss cluster. It's gonna twitch a little bit here because we got a lot of liquidity that is picking up right now. And it's these lows. See if it goes all the way to the stop loss cluster like yesterday. Big reaction. So closed. I've now closed 75% of the trade. I have 25% left, and that one I have no take profit actually. I'm just gonna let it run. If market wants to go lower, I doubt so. This will be probably the low of the day. So my stop loss for that last 25% will be at around 2310.5. It's quite good. 0.6, just for the sake of the spread. Market wants to go all the way up here and then turn. We'll see. But basically, this trade is done. If we are a conservative, I hope you closed, took all your profits, and now we'll see if we can go deeper on this one. To be honest, on the bigger picture, so this was like a semi-scalp intraday trade, but on the bigger picture, I'm not sure in what direction this thing wants to go. It needs to break out from this consolidation. Stop losses, massive stop losses down here that we're waiting to target right now, and massive stop losses up here as well. So we might see something like market coming down now, tapping out these stop losses, pushing up until New York, grabbing these stop losses, and then just start to push down further. But we'll see. And our BTC trade, I've entered, but I will probably add some position. We will see. But right now I've entered just very slight, very light position. And why is that? Is because we have some. Even though I've set this trade here, I think this trade can come down all the way here. Or actually, not can come down. It can come down all the way to 20,000. But I think there's a very high probability that we are coming down all the way here to this order block, grabbing this liquidity. So at around 53,000, say. And therefore, This is a trade that I will build myself into. So I opened the first, what is it, 0.5 lot on this one, and now I want to see it take out this low, like really confirm it, and then I will add positions. I will take profits from this order block here, and then probably let a small position to continue to run all the way down. I'll keep you guys, of course, updated in the Telegram. And if you ain't in the Telegram, then make sure you join it. Link is in the description on the YouTube channel. On my TikTok, it's in the bio. And that's that. But very slow movements on BTC today. Let's see if we can see some liquidity here. Where do I have it? Here we have it. Boom. 8th of May. We had yesterday a very small inflow to the ETFs, and that was from BlackRock. Boom. No, sorry, this is BlackRock. This is BitGet, or what they call. Let me see. Bitwise. So very slow picking up of the momentum, because we had massive sell-offs during the end of April, and that was basically the first time we saw the sell side taken over on the ETF flows. And then 3rd and 6th of May, you see quite good inflow, then outflow, and just a very small inflow yesterday. So we'll see what happens. So my projection is that BTC is going lower. It's going to drop a little bit more. Cause maximum pain before the gain. You know me, Kadir. I gotta go against everybody. Yo, Kadir, I don't have the function, man. I cannot see where I can invite you as a guest to this live. I will have to figure that out after the live, actually. You want to sell GJ? All right, cool. Yeah, so gold had its pullback. Massive wick reaction from the sell side liquidity expected, but we have more juicy liquidity here on the stop loss cluster. So that's why my last position is still active. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move stop loss down here, the trading stop loss. So I have it above this little order block that we have here, and above the 20-day EMA on the 1 minute. Come up here, get stopped out on my on the last position, then it's all good. Stopped out in profit, and is only 25% of my total position. 75% I've already closed it, and if you haven't, I recommend you to do it, because market can go anyway right now. It has already grabbed the liquidity here, so this is just the last chunk that we're targeting here. And Kadir is saying sell on GJ. Let me look at that one. Oh, what we got here? Let me look at the market sentiment on GJ. Honestly, not for me. It maybe for a little while, but GJ, maybe a small little sell, but nah, I will rather wait for the buy opportunity. And plus, another thing that I'm seeing is this here. Let me see, 194,600. We got a fat ass stop loss cluster right here. I would love to see market take out the stop loss cluster and then boop, get down to this order block here and present the perfect opportunity, buy opportunity for us. We have to be careful though, because we got an extreme order block here. Let me see this thing. Sorry, an extreme fair value gap, no order block. Boom. So Karima, bro, what I see for GJ, or what I want to see for GJ is basically this. Pop, pop, maybe this order block here, and then we're moving up. Hmm? All right, guys. Market is semi-dead. Not much happening here. Basically, news incoming. The calm before the storm. So we took a bag on gold. We happy with that. I got stopped out here on my trailing stop loss. And like I said, I hope most of y'all took your bags down here. Or I hope all of you took your bags down there. It's a big chance we're coming down to hit the stop loss cluster, but it's not worth chasing it or risking it. We already have such a good profit. A bag is a bag, money's money, Len. And that's that. Gold or BTC, we're in a sell, but this thing might chop around for a minute inside this fair value gap. We want to see this low here taken out. That will be like the relief that, okay, we're going down. But it looks very bearish though, looking at everything. So that's basically it. GJ, we're waiting for market to come down all the way to this fair value gap. Maybe start scaling in from this extreme fair value gap up here. Otherwise, this order block and this big cluster of order block here. I will post this chart in Trade Ideas channel and the Prosperous Premium Prime channel. But that's it. I don't have much more to say. Slow markets is good. As long as we're in profit, then we're all good. All right, my people. Have a beautiful day. Trade safe. And don't do anything I wouldn't do. And that is especially dedicated to Kadir.